Can anybody hear me? Let me know if my audio is not working and if the music is too loud or too low or anything. But today I'm going to be working on hey Nate Mar, nice to meet you. Thanks for coming in. So I've been working on a color picker for an app, a couple of different projects I'm working with. I usually work with Vue, and so I tried a couple of Vue packages, color pickers that are specifically meant for Vue, but they did not work. So I decided to build my own. So that's what I'm working on today, is just trying to get the color picker built. And I kind of took inspiration from Google's color picker. So the slider works, and the slider gets the colors, but what I need to do now is make the actual canvas change colors based on the hue that is selected on the slider. So that's what I'm going to be working on. How are you doing today, Nate? I'm assuming that's your name. I apologize if it's not. I'm on the call, baby. What do you need? Do you want to say hi? You gotta look right up there.
Huh?
You gotta look right up there.
I don't see her.
You're not on the screen.
I don't see her.
There you go.
Where is she?
Okay. My mommy's finished. See? I'm gonna keep working. Yes, she is wanting to hang out. So we just came back from McDonald's Play Place where we spent a couple of hours. So we have had lots of fun this afternoon. It was more than an hour.
Sorry,
It was more than an hour.
1 year?
It wasn't 1 year. Okay, Viva. Go play. Yes, you are. Say hi.
Hey. Hello, are you there?
They can't hear you. You can't hear anybody. Yeah, they type to me. Yes, they all want to do pop-ups. Anytime I'm like streaming, or even if I'm not streaming, if I'm on a video call of any kind, they have to come say hi. And then they get upset if I'm not streaming now. And how's it going, James? How are you doing today? All right, so let's see. Okay, thank you, Ava.
Want to hear what she's saying?
There's no, you can't hear. It's just my music. You can hear the music. There's gonna be a break. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, and I'm on an ad break, so they can't hear you unless they're subscribed anyways.
Well, there's still people subscribed, right?
There are some people subscribed, yes. Oh, you can see her. Great, thanks for the follow. Oh, thanks, James. Thanks for the follow.
There's actually two.
Follow as well.
I can help you find some.
Let me see what's going on. We actually want to do this.
And
It's over now. You can come say hi.
hi. Wait, where are they?
You don't see anybody.
Yeah.
They're all chatting here.
So,
And there's me. And there's Elena. Right. Hey, see.
that's a
Oh, and Elena, tell me what you think about pineapple on pizza.
yeah. Kind of pizza. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like it. But if you like it, that's I don't like it, and that's my opinion. No offense.
Pizza's good.
Where?
Smart girl. How's it going, Sashi?
That's what the film is.
Okay, 2 more minutes and then you'll have to go play. Okay? Don't me.
It's me.
Nice. Are you streaming now, Sashi? I haven't seen you recently. Do you stream regularly? I just see you like in Discord when I accidentally pop in.
Okay.
Okay. What is it? No more hands. No more hands. Thank you.
I see. Right there.
Yeah, you were in that. You're in there.
So that's a video.
Yeah. Go. Bye. Bye. Go play.
I gotta play.
You follow her, please. Do I need to count to 3?
Okay.
Give me my headphone back.
Okay.
1, 1, 2. Yes. My daughter wants to let you know she's watching One Piece and she really likes it. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Yeah, you never reached out to me about it. But I don't know how you are, like, if you have enough people or whatnot. Okay, go play.
You want more text when you don't know.
Oh. Alright. Today. It's nice to see you again. I didn't see you on the stream, but I had to take my kids to McDonald's, so sorry. I'm doing good, just trying to get started here. So I've made my own color picker using Vue because the color picker packages I tried out didn't work correctly. So I decided to just make my own, and I wanted to kind of base it on Google's color pickers. So that's what I'm working on. I've got the slider working, but now I'm making it. I'm trying to connect it to the canvas here so that whenever I slide it, the hue gets updated on the canvas, and then I can select a more like saturated or less saturated color. Yes, dear.
You can hear you.
Everybody can hear me and you right now. Yes, everybody. Yes, all these people that are in here can hear us.
Wait, can they hear me?
Yes, they can hear you too. Because you're in the microphone. There's microphones right here. You can't hear what they say. They're only typing. Stay back. You don't want to hurt their ears, my love. Yeah, thanks. It's fun. So that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, give me a second. I gotta go get my 5-year-old or 6-year-old. She's 6. Uh, something to do. I will be right back. I'm gonna put my be right back screen on, and then because I want to be able to actually work on this for a little bit. And we just got done playing for a few hours, and now mommy needs to work. So I will be right back. Okay, come in. Let's go. Something for you to do. Sorry about that. My 9-year-old wants to be a YouTuber. My 6-year-old will probably want to too at some point. Now, position. This one, two, that's my fingers pretty open right now, but I'll go later. Did you do your stream already? Or set up your work on your home lab? Here, we're not getting the CTR speakers. Canvas value. Where is it saying that it's 42? So how's it going tonight? Not our cat. Officially, cats and kids. Somebody joined my part. Let's see. What are y'all up to this evening? Does anybody here work with View and Astro? So I'm wondering why my View component is not populating. Oh yes. she was just whining at the door for me to let her in. She's such a booger. Like, I have to do what she says as soon as she says it, or she will like get so mad at me. She bit me the other day for the first time. Like, she never bites me, she'll bite other people, but I made her move so my 4-year-old could sit down where she was. And she got up on the couch, scratched me, and then bit me, and then ran off and stared at me for like 15 minutes. She's such a booger. Goodness. Don't want to keep those and get seats. I wonder if I should do. Yeah, she's like 14 or 15 now, so she's like and we like 6 months ago we were put out of our house due to a leak under it. And so we had to move houses like within like a span of like 5 minutes. It went from oh, we have a leak to oh, there's a ton of mold, we need to leave right now. And we couldn't take her with us to the house that we went to, which is my dad's, because he has 2 huge dogs that would have like killed her. And so we have them like they're outside and inside cats, and they part of the house that we had them, and it wasn't like as affected as the rest of the house, and they could get in and out as they could. And so we ended up bringing her though, and to another. Once we had an actual rental house where there wasn't going to be big dogs that would get her, we brought her, and ever since then she has just been like super demanding, and like basically we have to make up for leaving for a few days when we got situated with our living situation. And we're still not in our house yet. That's fine. I get really distracted very easily. I'm right now trying to figure out. I can't access draw color picker before the initialization, so I need to watch down here. Here, draw color picker. It's super messy right now. I'm just trying to get it working, and then I'll go through it and make it clean. Okay, let's stop that. Okay, so that's because of this, maybe the content. I feel like this here. I feel like this is gonna be. It's just. Like, I don't know why my Astro is taking so long. It's usually pretty quick. It's sad to drop by. And maybe because my daughter lives in my son's space too. Yeah, there's probably a lag. Ellie, I don't know what's going on with my internet. For some reason, it just like doesn't. It hasn't been like great the past couple of days, even though I've like got it plugged in via Ethernet. So there probably is a little bit right now. So sorry. I can't really do anything about it. But let me know if my audio is still bad. It's okay. And maybe the music is too loud. I'm not sure if you can even hear it. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'll try rebooting her out. Yeah, my 6-year-old came and touched my microphone, and it looks like she turned on it. Canvas value. So 20 minutes. So that should be. I don't know. It's gonna be here. this canvas. And if I go here, and then go to the strings earlier. Which VS Code theme am I using? It is one candy. And then my text is Molly, M-A-L-I. Anyway. This is cool one. That's on this tree. Do this. You know what? I wonder if I can just like put this in draw. We do this. We're gonna draw this. I can still go back to one now to draw again. Teach us your ways, Beth. If you're a Wi-Fi genius, like Ellie says, I believe it. I just can't wait to get into more regular hoops again because then I'll be able to like do whatever I need to do to get things working. Lee, what are you gonna work on for next stream? Are you gonna do more scenes or do you have other stuff planned? Speaking of stars and defined, which is one thing you need. Oh, nice. Do you do like I know you said you have a home lab. Are you do you just do that for fun or do you actually do like networking and things like that in your job as well? Okay. I took my kids to McDonald's and let them play at the play place. I got them Happy Meals for like 2 hours today. And now they're all bored again. How did I do this before? Let's do CTX.value. So that's not even on. Because I need to not only did that appear, yeah, I'm gonna have to figure it out. It's different. Now, you should do Unity. That would be so cool. I'll watch that. My 9-year-old really wants to start. She like wants to start doing animation. So like encoding. So I got her an app on my phone that she can use. And then once I start working, I'll get her a starter laptop so she can code. But she specifically wants to make video games. So if you start streaming that, I will have her too. This was all on here. You know what? I'm just gonna like. Look at the only scary thing about it, like right now, Ellie is like I'm frustrated because like um I'm doing something obviously wrong and I'm missing it, and it's kind of hard to like for me to multitask, like stream and code and talk to everybody at the same time. So I haven't like gotten as far as like I probably would if I was like by myself. Um, and even then, like now there's people watching, so it makes things like a little bit scarier. But at the same time, like it is what it is. Like I might as well just do it, and like nobody's been rude about it so far. And if they are, then there's a block button, and you know we all get stuck sometimes. So I guess it's just like it doesn't. I think I get more anxiety before I actually start streaming, and then once I'm streaming, I'm good. And then like if I have like a low energy level day, then I like end up not streaming as long because I can tell like that my energy levels. Yeah, I'll have her get started with Unity at some point. I need to get her her own laptop first. She just has a tablet, and even that broke. So the next step is a laptop. Oh, nice. You were a lot. Well, if you haven't done your stream yet, whenever I'm done with mine, I'll rate yours if you want, if you start yours up, like Ellie was gonna do earlier. That's really cool. I kind of want to just like control Z and go. You guys should use a computer with this shooting. Maybe that's my problem. Because what's happening now is that my input, it is V model to the second value, which is a range from 0 to 360. And we start from 0, so I start in the midpoint, which is the 180. And then what was happening, because I used ChatGPT to just kind of throw out some of the code because I was too lazy to figure it all out, was they put it put, whatever it is, they put the draw color picker in the on mounted, but I really don't want that function in on mounted. So I think what I need to do, but I don't know that I need to redraw it every time. I just need to change the gradient. Happy Thursday, how's it going? Do I know you from Twitter? Because the username is new here on Twitch. Oh, it's Maggie. Hi, Maggie. How's it going? Thanks for popping in. Sorry, sometimes I either see the screen name and it doesn't like match with the one that's on Twitter that I'm used to, or like there was one person where his Twitter and his like Twitch are pretty much the same, but I was so used to just going by his picture, so I didn't realize it was him for like the first 3 times he popped in to the Twitch stream, and then I was like, oh, I do know you. But I'm bad at this kind of stuff, so sorry. Hope you're having a good night. I am working on a color pick with you. I'm trying to figure out. I have, it only works in my on mounted right now, and it's not working if it's outside of unmounted. It really is, Ellie. I know Ellie was a cartoon for a while. I'm never gonna let you live that down. I'm super glad. I was super excited when I realized who you were when we met. Okay, I'm just gonna control Z. I'm not allowed to like cuss on Twitch. Like, I mean, I don't usually cuss on Twitch, but sometimes I want to say some words, but then I like make myself not. I'm not sure that I'm allowed to say that. As long as I'm not super bad about it, you're okay, right? There's one more. Let's see. There we go. So that's that one. Slider's working again. I can take this out for now. I think what we're gonna do is move this into this one here. Let's see. I'm gonna move this into a and just like see this. Fabric. I think you can see, like, I don't know, can, like, if you're not subscribed, because I know you can hear me and see me right now because you're subscribed, can people, like, see me typing even if it's an ad in the chat? Oops. I'm just gonna make sure I understand what's going on with this canvas. Canvas is already made it close to this group, and I would say canvas element. Always return the same drawing text instance as within the first time. It is not possible to get a different drawing context. Not given canvas. Okay. Yeah, it's not saying it's not defined draw color. Instead of the computer, it's how much is it? Oh yeah. And looking at this. Should I get computer number? This is going to be you don't have to feel body. So that first things, it's pretty such a and then counterparts so now watching the value. So now do this and I think this should be but how are you doing today? Just starting with the color picker and trying to go through it. So, this way now, it's yeah. Let's see if this works for me. Thanks for the call. I appreciate it. And this is it. It's not okay. Two colors. Simple active over here. Across the I feel like this isn't this. This because I wasn't done. Let's see, notes is here. So color picker. This is one color picker, just looking to see here. This we get from the draw color picker itself. Okay. So that's good. It's two marks. And then now, see here. So let's just put this. Let's put there. Like the canvas, and then the bottom, which is like right here, and mine. It still should be there. Gotta be here now. I really said it was earlier, but then I fixed it. So, that you just have to like speak it. It's like about 10 minutes at least. And I'm playing this for blind because I feel like I need to restart my computer. And the thing I was saying I need to restart my router. Sounds kind of muffled. Okay, I'll have to check into it. Let's see. Because when I tested it earlier, like on my end, it sounded way clearer than my previous times that I did on the mics. So I don't know what's going on. Well, I'm gonna end this here in 10 minutes, so I'll do some testing on my end. tomorrow or next time, right? Stream. It won't be so bad. I might stream later this evening too, but I'm gonna take a break from streaming for a bit just so that I can focus on trying to get this working and making progress because I feel like I'm not. And it's taking my page a lot longer to refresh than it should, so I'm gonna look into that too and see why it's starting cozy right now. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I used to do hot pink here, but it damaged my hair too much. But I was covering some highlights. I need to draw this. Shoot. That was good with me. Going. Hopefully I'm allowed to use your name at each stream, so I assume I'm allowed to. Can you hear me okay, or is it muffled for you? Lane said it was muffled for him. For her. Lane. Yeah, okay. We'll have to consider this. I'm gonna end here in 8 minutes. So that I can focus on getting this and not being stuck anymore. Okay, what about now if I do this? Does that sound better or worse? Turn the game down. So it's fine. What? Yes, is it using the correct microphone maybe? Maybe it's like that's fine. Yeah, I'm wondering if it's trying to like use my laptop microphone instead of my actual mic now. That's what I'm looking at right now. Device defaults. Here we go. Okay, how about now? Let's see. That should be way better, right? Yeah, much better? Okay. It was using the microphone. Am I too loud now? Okay. All right. That's the reason. It was using the wrong mic. Yay. Okay, so now, okay, this way, or does that sound better? I just changed the gain just a little bit more. All right, thanks for letting me know because I would not have ever realized that. Okay, cool. Yay, that's awesome. Ladder, okay, ladder and former, I do not understand those two words. Like I always get them confused. So this way or the way it was before the gain was turned up. Now it's the gain is all the way up. But I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Like seriously. Okay, cool. All right, then we're good. Yay. Well, I wish I would have known that yesterday because I tried to stream the other day and I was using this mic, or I thought I was, but I wasn't the entire time. I am always happy for constructive criticism because, like, this is also like there's so much to know and so many settings, and just like there's just a lot to learn. And then when I changed my mic, now my speakers in my ears are super loud, but that's okay. It's not that big of a deal. Oh, there we go. Yeah, give me all the pro tips you have. Lane, I probably asked you this. Do you stream? Jordan, I am JLMX just streamed the other day. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can do that. You have to get used to watching yourself though and listening to your voice, and I don't like that, but I know I should. I've I've been on podcasts and everything, and I could never bring myself to listen to myself in a podcast interview. I know I have. I've had the subscriptions and channel points since like last week. Do the channel points have anything on them though? Because I don't know if they do or not. Okay. Yeah, it definitely is a huge learning curve, but it's fun. It's a lot of fun. It just takes time. Okay, so I was trying to figure out my context and why it's not CTX is get con. All right. I think what we need to do is this. CTX dot value. Okay, so then now, you know what? That doesn't even make sense. This should just be back in this, right? Like it doesn't matter. Okay. And then Canvas CTX. And then now what we can do is this is just the initial color picker. So when we draw it, we just need color picker, canvas color dot value, canvas CTX dot value. Okay, let's see if that fixes it. I let my message. Oh, okay. That's cool. Okay, so it does that for me. I know I've seen some people do it, like my friend Ryan, he does it for he does like posture check and drink water, and I thought that was really cool. I was like I should do like some kettlebell swings and squats so that I start exercising again. Alright, so now I'm just gonna do this from here and just see, is this working? 'Cause I shouldn't have to use that anymore. I really need to pick a different playlist too, because every time I like hear this music, it makes me want to stop and go play video games. Oh yeah, I understand that. No way to stream while you work. There was somebody I was watching the other day, and her employer lets her stream while she works, which is really cool. I'm gonna try. I have an interview on Friday, so depending on how it goes, if I get a position, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna be allowed to, because it'll be mostly front end stuff, like actually like what I'm doing right now. So it'd be um, fun to be able to stream that while I'm working too, if they allow it. Okay, why is fill rect not return color canvas CTX? And then if I, all right, if we just go here for a second, let's see. Hey Roland, how's it going? How are you doing tonight? I haven't seen you streaming in a while either. Ah, okay. If I just take that, that's not gonna work. So I guess pretty good. I'm just trying to I'm actually gonna end my stream here in just a few minutes. I was gonna end it like 3 minutes ago, but then you popped in. Um, I'm just trying to get my color picker working and in view, and that's what I'm working on. But I'm gonna stop streaming here in a minute and then like actually sit and work on it, because it's kind of hard to multitask between all of this and like typing, and then I just get distracted really easily and my brain is not on point right now. So um I'm gonna probably and then once if I get unstuck, I'll probably stream again later. Yeah, and you should message me whenever you know when you're gonna stream so I can make sure to pop on and join. No worries. But I am going to go ahead and end the stream now, just because I really do want to get past this blocker that I'm on. And while I don't mind doing blockers live streaming, I just feel like right now, tonight, I can't. So I'm going to go ahead and end the stream. But if I get unstuck later, I will be back on, if I don't end up playing Final Fantasy VII. But thanks. Oh, yeah, I do actually have a scene that doesn't have the camera and everything, and it just plays the music and I'll chat. Um, but yeah, maybe I'll wait. I'm gonna let this one ad play and then and then I'm gonna end it. Bye, Ellie. So yeah, for sure. I hope I'm able to figure it out too. And if I do, I'll be back on later. If I, again, if I don't get sucked into video games, because I've been trying to beat Final Fantasy VII. Okay, yeah. Jordan, DM me like before you go on um Tomorrow's Thursday. I think I have I want to say I have a coffee chat tomorrow, but just DM me so that I can make sure that I can join either before or after. Midday works really well for me because I'll actually be awake, unlike I will be at 5:30 in the morning. All right, y'all. Have a good night. I might be back later. Otherwise, I will talk with y'all soon. And my ended stream, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna end it. I usually have an ending scene, but it's not showing up for whatever reason. So y'all have a good evening.